Hello friends, welcome back to our channel on statistics. So we are discussing CUET statistics related topics. So in the lecture 3 we discuss about random variables, right? Okay, now we are discussing standard distributions, then we move further. So we are mainly discussing how they are asking questions and which type of questions they will ask. At last we will discuss MCQs, okay, right? See that in the distributions, mainly they mention binomial, negative binomial, geometric, Poisson, hypergeometric. These are discrete. So in distribution theory, mainly we have two types. One is in distribution theory, mainly we have two types. One is discrete, another one is continuous, right? So in discrete random variable, what we have? Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, geometric distribution, hypergeometric distribution, negative binomial. So mainly these five distributions. Again in continuous also we have uniform, normal, exponential, this chi-square, f and t. These are the sampling distributions. These will also comes as continuous. Okay. So mainly we have these much distributions only. Then we have approximations like gamma, beta and approximations. Okay. Now how the questions came from distribution theory. So coming to the questions, which type of questions they will ask from distribution theory, that is very important. Maximum 75 to 80% of the questions will come from uniform, exponential, normal distribution. So these three are the very important in continuous case. If coming to the discrete case, Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, these two are very important. Here two, here three. Total these five are very important. Out of these five distributions, compulsory one or two questions will be there. There is no doubt. So we already discussed maximum six or seven questions will come from each unit. So out of six or seven questions, these five distributions compulsory having two or three questions. Okay. So now again we are moving to the questions. Which type of questions they will ask? So in the first we will discuss how what are the properties and all things. I already tell you how to learn distribution theory. Okay, how we need to learn distribution theory? Just make a proper notes. How? Distribution name, PMF or PDF, then mean. You need to generate only variance, MGF, special property in case if they have any special property. So these six plays a vital role in distribution theory. Just one table is enough for distribution theory. Okay. So for example, binomial distribution is there. So just write binomial distribution. PMF is NCX, P power X, T power N minus X. So in mean, it will be NP. In the variance, NPQ. MGF is Q plus P power T whole power N. Then special property is what? Mean greater than variance always. Like this. For all distributions, you need to make it. So this is first part. Next, second part is work hard more on MGF. Work hard more on MGF. సో మనకి ఎంజిఎఫ్ బేస్ చేసుకొని కంపల్సరీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ థియరీలో వన్ ఆర్ టూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. దెర్ ఈస్ నో డౌట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంజిఎఫ్ దెర్ కంపల్సరీ వన్ ఆర్ టూ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఎంజిఎఫ్ ప్లేస్ ఎ వైటల్ రోల్. క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆల్సో maximum like questions how they come in the uniform distribution. They will ask you like in trigonometric functions also they will ask like cos x they will ask. Then you need to generate like e power it minus e power minus it by 2 like this type of forms also are come. We will discuss in MCQs with figure. Okay, so here I am discussing what is what about random variables and discrete continuous random variables. Okay, then how what is the syllabus? So gamma also plays a vital role. Gamma like questions will come e power minus x, x power 5. Then find the integral of this type of, or you will ask two questions. 6xy. This is the joint like x following beta y following beta, then x6xy. This type of n number of questions are there. But one more suggestion is there. If you are BSc student, BSc 5 year students, you are aware about Swayam or NPTL. So Swayam NPTL, these both are similar. Swayam recorded video also comes from NPTL. So there are n number of assignments available based on our topics. For example, we are discussing distribution theory. Okay. So for the distribution theory, what you do, just to go to the Google, just to type a Swayam, then create a account, then see the courses, or go to the NPTL, login as a guest, then see the number of lectures will be there from distribution theory or probability theory. Okay, then go to assignments. In the assignments, number of problems will be there. For each assignment, maximum 10 questions will be there. So if you practice these 10 questions, this is enough, because NPTL range is very strong. So NPTL questions are very strong and very difficult also. Try to understand. If you aren't unable to solve, you can send via mail or WhatsApp. If we will know, we will solve and explain you. Okay. So we will discuss at last NPTEL SWAYAM examples only more, and some examples like from HCU, Pondicherry, BHU. This type of collections also we will discuss. Right now I am not discussing MCQs because I have already one set of MCQs. Okay, some sets are there. In that sets, complete syllabus is there. Like for example, I am taking 2019 paper. In the 2019 paper, all syllabus are covered, like distribution theory, estimation, joint distributions, probability, everything is covered. So if I differentiate the questions, then it will take time to upload, and these all things will happen. That's why what I am doing, after completing all the syllabus, then we will directly go to the different papers. We will discuss one by one. Okay, so maximum first in the distribution theory, first this is important, table is important, then relationships also important. That relationship you can find easily from the Google, like some diagrammatical ways also there. Okay, you can find that diagrammatical, like this is my normal distribution, this is my binomial distribution, this is my Poisson, this is my negative binomial. So Poisson to normal approximation possible, binomial to normal approximation possible. So when it is possible, when n tend to infinity, some conditions will be there, like this. F is there, then F2, which distribution is possible, normal distribution is possible, like this. Some diagram, Venn diagram is also there. You can check it from Google also. Okay. So coming to the questions, we will discuss what to do, how to do. Okay. In the questions, you will clear all the things. These sampling distributions also very important. Chi-square, T and W distributions. Maybe they will ask you direct questions like what is the MGF of chi-square, what is the why in T distribution, W distribution, MGF does not exist. This is also one type of question. Okay, this is about standard distribution theory. So next lecture we discuss about joint, then estimation, hypothesis. This much is enough. If 11 chapters will there, then throughout this is completely theory syllabus. So we will within next 3 lecture, after 3 lectures, we will going to start MCQs. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment us. Thank you.